all of you here. As you can see behind me, the hotel room is pretty darn nice. It's telling me that I have poor cellular connection, so I'm not sure what's going on with that. Trying this new thing where it's streaming from my GoPro through the phone to the internet, over Wi-Fi, I don't know. It looks like it's really blurry, so I apologize for the quality, but I just wanted to show everyone real quick the quality of the room view that I have here, and it looks like it's really shoddy because of the cell phone. It's weird. I have 3 bars of LTE, so it should be fine, but for whatever reason it's just really low quality. So yeah, so that's the view that I have right now. It's looking out into the Atlantic Ocean. I assume this is working. Can somebody write a comment if you're watching this so I know that this is definitely working? It also shows that my battery is like really low. So I'm not sure if it's gonna die on me, but I just wanted to give this a shot, since it makes it easier to see the comments and like do everything at once. Yeah, so me and Samantha Riley and Leon are here. We're getting stuff set up and ready for MapCon. Hopefully